For making paneer butter masala, we need paneer. Here I have cut the paneer in small triangles, but you can cut them in any shape you want. We also need roughly chopped tomatoes, roughly chopped onion, roughly chopped garlic, green cardamoms and mace, cashew nuts soaked in water for around 2 hours, fresh cream, butter and kasuri methi. Heat oil in a pan and add butter. This will prevent the butter from burning. Here I am using mixture of both, but you can make it with only butter. The choice is yours. We will now add the green cardamoms and mace. Let them release their aroma in the oil. Next goes in the chopped garlic and fry it for a minute. Add the chopped onions and fry them until they become soft. It's time to add the chopped tomatoes and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes or until they become soft. Next, we will add the soaked cashew nuts and fry them with the mixture. Add salt as per your choice. Add kasuri methi and mix it well with the mixture. Once done, switch off the flame and let it cool down. Take a grinder and add in the prepared mixture. Grind it into a smooth paste. So here is our paste ready. Strain this mixture using a strainer because we want our gravy to be silky smooth. Discard the remaining mixture. In the same pan, add mixture of oil and butter. Now add Kashmiri red chilli powder. This will give a nice color to our gravy. Add the strained mixture and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Add cumin powder and mix everything well. Cover the lid of the pan and let the gravy cook for another minute. Now add the paneer pieces and let them soak all the goodness from the gravy. Add garam masala powder, fresh cream and roasted kasuri methi. Give everything a nice mix. Finally, add the green chilies and mix everything well. Our paneer butter masala is now ready. We will garnish it with some chopped chilies, few ginger juliennes and a coriander leaf. Add a teaspoon of fresh cream for that extra zing. That's all for today's video. Hope you all have liked it. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.